Yeah, I don't want Kane to punish me. You really want to find out? The only thing holding Kane back is the fact that he likes us. I wouldn't push it.
Hello, Sheila. Have a sausage bacon jaffle combo. And the mate here just wants 6 hash browns split in between them, please. You are all right there, miss?
Oh, I forgot to ask for a kid's meal toy.
You're not a kid.
Ah, right. An adult toy then.
Don't know about that one, mate. Can I help you, miss? Hi. Do we know each other?
Ragatha, where's Pomni?
Huh? Oh, she's flirting with the gummy guy because she'd rather be with an NPC than with us or something.
Well, that won't do.
I wish someone would flirt with me.
Pomni, we need you at the register. Stop weirding the customers out. Don't you ever say my authority isn't real. Anyways, but that breaks you up because it's lunchtime.